안녕하세요 everyone, this is Jia. Today we'll be making Samgyetang, Korean ginseng chicken soup. Samgyetang is an energizing soup, especially in summer, because it helps prevent summer heat or tiredness. There are many Samgyetang restaurants in Korea, and people eat this soup year-round. I made the Samgyetang recipe more approachable so that you can try it at home. Let's begin by washing the rice. Sticky rice is typically used when making chicken ginseng soup, but you may use any type of rice that you like. Proceed to soak it in water for about 2 to 3 hours. This ensures that the rice can be easily cooked when used as stuffing within the chicken. Next, it's time to prepare the chicken. Traditionally, Samgyetang calls for a young chicken, and one whole chicken is served for one person. Today I'll be making 2 servings and I'm using 2 chickens. You may use Cornish hen, which are similar in size. Start by rubbing coarse salt over the chicken surface, followed by rinsing it under running water. This step contributes to the chicken's cleanliness. Trim away the tail, which is the most oily section of the chicken, and cut off the ends of the wings. Thoroughly clean the chicken inside as well. Wash the chicken again, making sure it's clean inside and outside. This process enhances the cleanliness and flavor of the broth, and it results in a delicious outcome. Now, we want to stuff the chicken cavity with rice, garlic, and jujube. Only fill around 2/3 of the chicken cavity. This prevents from the stuffing from spilling out of the chicken. Close it with a skewer to prevent the stuffing from escaping. And tie the legs together with cooking twine to keep the stuffing inside. The basic preparations are now finished. Sam in Samgyetang refers to ginseng in Korean. Clean the surface of ginseng by scraping it with a small knife. I'm using fresh ginseng today, but you may use dried ones as well. Thinly slice the green onion. We're going to serve it later, just before eating the soup. Place the chicken in the pot and pour water to cover enough. Place ginseng and dates or jujubes in the pot and bring it to a boil. Choose a pot that just fits the chicken well, so that chicken is well covered in the broth. If you use a big pot and lots of water, the broth might end up tasting too weak or light. Skim off any foam and continue boiling for about 10 minutes. Then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and simmer for about 1.5 hours or until the chicken is cooked through and tender. Let me taste the broth. Turn off the heat and serve it with green onion, salt, and pepper at the side. I used very small chicken to make my Samgyetang. The chicken that I used today weighs 500 grams per one chicken, which is about 17 to 18 ounces. So, if you cannot get that small chicken, I recommend to use a Cornish hen. Then, you'll make a delicious Samgyetang. Thank you, and I'll meet you on my next video. Bye-bye.